Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2019. Well, Justin Trudeau, congratulations. He did win the prime ministership, and he'll put together a coalition. He doesn't have quite a majority, but he will get the coalition put together, and we'll take that forward. Today, Chicago time, probably between 12 and 1, we'll get an idea if there's going to be a vote on Brexit or if the Parliament's going to tack on amendments, in which case Prime Minister Johnson is threatening to call a general election. So either take the plan as it went to the EU. If you start tacking on other amendments, probably not going to make it through. A big day, though. We'll see where it goes. And even if they have that vote, I don't think it's on the final plan. It's called I think the wording of it, and somehow they've got their own terms. I don't understand them all. Very hard to understand. Mixed day in the stock market. We've got some housing data I'll show you in a minute here. Gold market holding up. Silver a bit weaker. As you know, I wrote my silver report. It is out there for you to see, and so far the numbers have held up. Dollar getting a little bit of a rally at the expense of a number of currencies here, getting a good rally in the Japanese yen, up 7 on the day. All the energy markets are higher. Today we're going to get the API numbers late in the day and then the EIA numbers in the morning. Getting a bit of a bounce in the nat gas. It was pretty oversold, so that makes sense. Beans were up a lot more than this as word came out that China was authorizing another 10 million metric ton purchase. So that they did 20 million metric tons originally. Now, and that's since the beginning of the year. Now they're authorizing another 10 million. That's their good foot forward. Let's take a look at the data. The National Association of Realtors of existing home sales, down 2.2%. The market was expecting it down 0.2. That's a lot worse than it was. The amount of home existing sales, 5.45 million. They expected 5.48. The price of the home still climbing, up 5.9% versus a year ago month, and 4.1 months supply. Redbook retail sales, well, they were down for the first 3 weeks of October, a tenth, but then if you go back versus a year ago, they were up about 4%. ISC sales, the retail sales, up 3.1% from the previous week. They have different ways of looking at these, as you can see, and up 2.7% from a year ago. Then we look at the other data that's all coming in. I'm waiting for the Richmond Fed. I have not seen it, so we're all waiting to see just what those numbers are going to be, but they weren't out, and they were supposed to come out at 9. Maybe they're out by now, but I have not been able to see them. I want to remind you, my special report on the metal markets, it's out. Now, if you'd like to see it, all you need to do is go to our website at www.iraepstein.com under research. But you're going to see that I put in seasonal charts, monthly charts, quarterly charts. I put in the daily charts, a bunch of this different studies in there, and I walk you through what I think this market's capability is and where the market goes between now and really through February, giving you an idea of momentum swings in there so that you get a better grasp on it. How do you get to it? Go to our website. Under the word research, you'll see Ira's special metal report. You can always call my staff. They'll help you as well. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you this afternoon with our market wrap-ups. You have a great trading day.